Hello! So today, as promised, let's draw some penguins together. For this you will only need something to write with. Pencil is fine, or you can use a pen. I'll use this alcohol marker so you will be able to see better. Let's get to it. Now there are many basic shapes that can turn into penguin. The most useful usually is an egg shape, but you could also make this kind of dome shape that is actually like a half oval and then cut in half. Or of course you can go with a more stylized approach and try this rounded edges rectangle. You can also complicate things a little bit further and make one shape for the head and one shape for the body. So in the end you get this round shaped head and a normal bird kind of body. If you want to go more realistic style, you also start with the oval shaped for the head this time, and then for the body is even more extended, and we'll add a beak in one curve. You can of course add the beak and the eyes and the white markings. It's what makes the penguin-like. If you want to be really stylized, you can even just add one line for these markings. When you put this kind of drawings into context with some ice or igloos or snow, people will know that they're penguins, don't worry. We tend to be good at recognizing symbols. That's our speciality. While I'm drawing this, be sure to like this video and subscribe, because we'll be painting a penguin together next week. And if you want a more realistic one, you can still simplify it quite a bit. We can add feet, but don't make feet too big, too much sticking out, because the penguins are known to keep their feet close to their body. They even have this fat in the abdomen so that the fat rolls over their feet to keep them toasty. If you want a different shaped head, you can also try this kind of penguin. It all depends on what you want to emphasize and what you want to leave out. You can make the face mask, you can even bigger, and it really depends what you want. Even these simple ones you can complicate more if you want to. You can make it the curvy beak, and you can make the face mask as well here. So now you have a few ways of drawing a penguin. It's really easy. It's usually just a round ball or oval for the head and then a bulbous body, and that's it. But you could also make it into just an oval with a beak sticking out, as with all birds, and it all works. Try the ones you like, decide on one of them, and let's paint it together in my next video. So don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified, so we can do it together.